Should you put your child on your bank account as part of your estate plan? My name is Jason Covington. I'm an attorney in Kansas City, and I do personal injury, estate planning, and probate. If you want to talk to me about any of those issues, please go to jocolegal.com and you can talk to me for free. So, it's not uncommon for us to have people basically say, hey, I took care of this bank account because I put my child on it. And if something happens to me, they can pay my bills from it. The problem with that is that child is now an equal owner of that account, depending upon how you set it up. And if that's the case, then they can just take all the money and use it for whatever they so choose. The best way to handle it for them to help you while you're alive would be through a durable power of attorney, where they would have financial requirements to help you with a fiduciary duty, and they don't actually have ownership rights of your funds. The other thing that we deal with that's common is someone will put a transfer on death of the bank account to that child. And if you have one child and you intend everything in that account to go to them, that may actually be a good move. However, some people say, well, I want child A to take that account and give it evenly between A, B, and C. The problem is when you die, that asset is now owned by child A only, and it relies on them doing the right thing and following your wishes, and that doesn't always happen. And no matter what your will says, that's not what is going to control in this set of circumstances. The title of the account will happen or will matter ultimately. The other issue that you will see is people will say, well, I put a transfer on death for all three children, and so they all three own it. Well, depending upon, again, how the signature authority is set up, upon your death, one of those children can go up to the bank and say, I'm the new owner, and I'd like to empty the account, please. And theoretically, that could happen, and they have an equal right to it just as much as the other kids do. And so you can cause some real problems titling your accounts improperly. And so it's best to talk to a professional about your individual needs and what your goals are and how to get there. If you ever need to talk to me for free and want to discuss some of these issues, again, I handle personal injury, probate, and estate planning. Please feel free to go out to jocolegal.com.